Hey, what's up guys, Ashraf is here, and in this video I will be showing you that how you can convert a JPEG image file into a PNG format. So double click on this layer to unlock that. You can use this option to unlock that. So let's zoom in a bit. So the main thing you have to know is that the objects in your logo must be the bigger size so that it should identify. Now select the PICS selection tool and click on the object which you want to detect. Just click on and it will automatically detect the whole object. Do the same thing with other objects. So here we have done. Now right click over there and click on select inverse. Now from the erasers option, select the background eraser tool. Click on delete option. It will delete all the background. Now you can see that it contains of black outlines. So now do the same, the select inverse by right clicking on that. Select the color which you have on your logo. Now using the brush tool, draw it on the edges of your logo. So that's it, you have got your PNG image. So that's pretty much for this video guys. Like if you have learned something new, subscribe for more, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next one.